10 minus 2 bracket 10 minus 2 equal what? Here 10 minus 2 gives us 8. Multiply this 10 minus 2 gives us 8. 8 times 8 gives us 64. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right. And addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Please hit the like button to support this channel. Therefore, at first we have to work with this parenthesis. Here this 10 minus 2 multiply this 10 minus 2 gives us 8. Now I have to work with this multiplication because multiplication have higher priority than this subtraction. Here this 10 minus this 2 times 8 gives us 16. 10 minus 16 gives us negative 6. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.